In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the can't upload to Tableau public error efficiently and effectively. If you've ever encountered this frustrating roadblock, you're not alone. By following these simple steps, you'll be back on track in no time. First, you'll want to start by opening the Tableau public app on your device. Whether you're on a PC or a Mac, ensure your Tableau public app is up to date to avoid any compatibility issues. Once you've got Tableau public up and running, navigate over to the Data Source tab. It should be easy to find. Just look at the top of the screen and you'll see tabs for different areas of your workbook. Now, when you're in the Data Source tab, keep an eye on the top right corner. Here you should see your data source listed. Usually it indicates a live connection, which is a direct link to your data source. This is where the problem typically lies. A live connection can cause issues when trying to upload to Tableau Public because it relies on a direct and constant connection to your original data source, which Tableau Public does not support. To resolve this, we need to change the connection type. Switch from a live connection to an extract. This switch basically tells Tableau to pull a snapshot of your data rather than maintain a continuous live link. Doing this will make your workbook compatible with Tableau Public's requirements for uploads. Upon making this change, Tableau will prompt you to create the extract. Don't worry, this is just part of the process. You'll follow the prompts to create this file, and Tableau will take it from there. Once the extract is created, it will be embedded within your workbook. This means your necessary data is now contained within your document itself, without needing a constant connection. Once that's complete, go ahead and save your workbook. It's always good practice to have your work saved before proceeding with an upload, just in case something unexpected happens. With your workbook saved with the extract in place, you're now ready to give uploading another shot. Try publishing it to Tableau Public again, and you should find that the process goes through smoothly this time. And there you have it. By changing from a live connection to an extract, you've solved the upload issue. Frequently, it's these little adjustments that make the biggest difference. Thank you for watching, and remember, for any other Tableau-related roadblocks, don't hesitate to reach out or refer back to these steps. Happy data publishing!